كيفكم؟ This is Samer from Yalla Arabee team. I'm going today to teach you how could we use the أسماء الإشارة. أسماء الإشارة هن يعني the demonstrative nouns. So هلا literally translate أسماء الإشارة يعني the nouns that signals إشارة signal. طيب هلا depending of the gender of the object, okay, or of the gender in general, like if masculine or feminine or plural, or if it's close or far, changing depending of that. So let's start with, for example, for the close, if I say this or these, هيد, we have root, هيد, هيد, هيد. For masculine, okay, مذكر, هيدا, الكتاب, هيدا, الكتاب. For feminine, مؤنث, هيدي, الوردي. Because وردي is feminine, you see, has تاء مربوطة. هيدي, الوردي. Plural, جمع, هيدول. For example, هيدول الطلاب, these students. طيب, هيدا, هيدي, هيدول. Of course, depending of the accent, you could say هذا. يعني you take off E. يعني you could say هيدا, you could say هذا. You could use one, but just to be, if you hear either one, just to know it's يعني it exists. Just different accent. So let's say here هذا, that people say هذا, هي, هدول. But let's keep this one because most common here, especially in Lebanon. هيدا الكتاب, هيدي الوردي, هيدول الطلاب. تمام؟ طيب. هلا فينا بالنسبة للبلورال, بالنسبة للفار, we just have the root هيدا, okay? هيدا, هيداك. We add k for the fall. هيداك الجامع. That mosque. هيديك البنت. البنت girl or daughter, which is we're talking about something far. هيديك البنت. هيدوك الكراسي. Chairs. هيدوك الكراسي. So هلا في something يعني in short, we just use one letter which is ha. Okay? Doesn't matter it was masculine or feminine or plural. We could say هالكتاب or هالوردي or هالطلاب. Okay? We just could use ha. تمام? This is just it's easier, but of course we should know the other demonstrative nouns, demonstrative nouns. Salah, cut this one, please. So ها الكتاب, هالوردي, هالطلاب. We could use it because this year sometimes people use this one because you talk it's faster. هالكتاب. But of course we should know the other demonstrative nouns. طبعا all the nouns after it should be known. If you see here, هيدا الكتاب, الوردي, الطلاب, الجامعة, ذا, always should be known after the demonstrative nouns. Always. يعني I could say هيدا ابني, for example. هيدا ابني. It's still a noun, right? Because I said my son. Okay, there is no that L, but of course there is my something. It's no. هيدا ابني. هيدا still unknown. Should make it known. Ibn Khayli, the son of my brother. Hayda Ibn, let's say Al-Istaz. Hayda Ibn Al-Istaz. You see, in all cases, this is the 4 cases, in all cases should be known. يعني هيدا ابني, my son, هيدا الولد, this is this boy. هيدا ابن خيي, this is the son of my brother. هيدا ابن الأستاذ, this is the son of the teacher. So you see, in all cases it's known. After, the demonstrative nouns should be always known. Okay, this is our class for today, guys. If anyone has any question, please don't hesitate to ask us in the comment. With pleasure, we're gonna answer you, of course. If there is a mistake, we're gonna correct. And yeah, don't forget to share this video with your friends, the other learners. And I will see you in next class, guys. بحبكم. Bye bye.